Hello and welcome. My name's Andrew Maxfield, real estate broker in Boston for 15 years, and I love to eat. Today, we are at Broadsheet Cafe here in Somerville, Massachusetts. Beautiful, cozy little corner cafe, absolutely extraordinary. This place was actually started in 2017 as predominantly a coffee roaster. They're sort of experts in this area. They have another off-site location actually where they do a majority of the roasting and sorting of beans. They work with a lot of importers who work with sustainable, responsibly sourced farms. They have a lot of stuff that's really kind of funky and esoteric, micro lot type of coffees, but they also have sort of their house blends, which are just more sweet, rounded, your typical kind of comfort coffee. We're also going to go in for the breakfast biscuit, which is pretty stellar. So we're going to take a look and try some food. All right. Okay, well, there you have it. This is the maple bacon and onion egg sandwich on a biscuit from Broadsheet Cafe. Now, this might not look like the most appealing thing, from the jump, but I assure you, super fluffy biscuit, very buttery, very soft. They do that thing where they put the egg in a little, they take like a scrambled egg, they put it in a little mold, and then probably cook it in the oven with a bain-marie or something like that. Just perfectly cooked, a little bit of sweetness, some savory, aromatic onion flavor. The bacon is perfect. It's just the right size too. It's like, it's not going to be a total gut bomb, but it is very, very heavy. So it's like just the right amount. Sort of a just gourmet breakfast sandwich to the max. Really nice. I could definitely eat one of these on my way to work. When in Rome, again, this is a place that's really known for its coffee roasting and sourcing. So rather than get into the latte today, I'm actually going to go for just a black drip coffee. This is the El Paramo Colombian blend. Now, in my experience, Colombian coffees are typically kind of lighter, grassier, and that obviously has to do with the roast as well, but I think they're roasted in a way that's going to accentuate those notes. So, the first thing I noticed is that this is like very balanced. It's not too acidic. It's got kind of a roundness to it, a little bit sweet on the front end. A little bit kind of grassy and banana-y on the back. I would say this is a pretty good all-rounder. It doesn't have that kind of super dark. I actually preferred my coffee to be kind of charred. I really like the dark kind of Cafe Verona, Starbucks reference type of blend. But this is really nice, and it's definitely drinkable on the daily. Well, this is going to be a convenient one today because not only do we get to visit this amazing cafe, Broadsheet, but right next door is one of the hallmarks of Somerville, an absolute iconic sort of place. It's Savenor's Butcher Shop. This is a butcher and specialty food store. Got a bit of history here. So this was actually founded in 1939, timing, by Jack Savenor, who was Julia Child's butcher and actually made multiple appearances on her show for the 11 years that it ran on PBS. It was called The French Chef. So old Jack was there again, featured on the show with Julia Child, and she would get her various cuts of meat, everything from whole tenderloins, ribeyes, strips, any kind of thing that you can imagine, even some real exotics like camel meat and python. Yes, camel meat and python. Can all be had here at Savenor. So this is just a great local kind of, gourmet grocer and exceptional butcher. Let's go take a look. As I mentioned in the beginning of my videos, I am a local Boston real estate broker and consider myself a bit of an expert after 15 years in the business. So if you are looking to buy, sell, rent, or if you're just interested in learning about the Boston market, maybe getting a valuation for your home or learning what the market trends are, please do contact me either here, or you can check out the webpage here and fill out a form. I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. I'd love to help out. So please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.